In cybersecurity, if you can't see the attack, you can't stop it. Most of the big companies pay thousands of dollars for tools like Splunk or CrowdStrike to watch their networks. But what if I told you that you could get the same enterprise level visibility for just $0? Today, we are talking about Wazuh. It is one of the trendiest open source security platform right now because it combines two massive things. One is SIEM, which watches your logs, and XDR, actually responding to your threats. Whether you are a student building a home lab or a small business owner, this tool you must know. Think of Wazuh like a security guard which never sleeps. It works in three parts. One is agent, second one is server, and dashboard. Our agent is a tiny piece of software you install on your Windows or Mac or Linux machines. It reports everything happening, like someone trying to guess your password or file being changed. Next is server. This is a brain. It collects all those reports, analyzes them, and says, hey, that looks like a ransomware attack. Finally, dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You get beautiful real time charts showing you exactly where threats are coming from. Okay, now let's explore Wazuh. So at present I am using the cloud trial pack of Wazuh, but I recommend you to install on your OS and try on your own, which is free forever. So I have already created my agent and deployed in my Kali Linux. So yes, Kali Linux, and I have also downloaded one vulnerability, means one malware, which is Trojan, from a sample GitHub files. So now this is the dashboard overview. I want to explore malware detection. Like, is there any malware in my system, in my OS or not? Let's check if it is able to detect or not. So, okay, it has detected a host based anomaly detection event. It's a dashboard. Let's go for events. See, it is showing me Trojan version of file detected. So, okay, but we can also create the alerts, triggers in a customized version. So we get the notification and all. But I'm not going in depth. I'm just exploring I'm just giving the overview of it. So, malware detection, okay. Let's check about the attacks. Military attack. Did someone try to access my OS or my system? I will just check. Okay. I got four attacks, which is password guessing, uh, okay, credential access, defense evasion, privilege escalation, persistence attacks. So someone tried to or access my system. Cool. So you can get more information on the events like user login failed, uh, login session opened. You will get each and everything which is happening in your system. Okay, so you can directly download the reports, analyze in the chats and all. So I have just given the overview of Wazuh, but if you resist, means if you demand, I can record a full complete Wazuh course. So another thing, if you are a fresher or a student, Wazuh tool must be present in your resume. So it is just a tip. So that's it for today. See you tomorrow.